my family member has a disability and can't find a job anymore.
There's this place down Wellsboro called Highland Chocolates that turns cocoa into confidence by employing people with disabilities.
So how does turning cocoa into confidence make manufacturing so cool?
Be chocolate, because who doesn't love being around chocolate all day, every day?
We're a nonprofit. We support people with disabilities. Everyone here can do something amazing with chocolate. We serve 15 people with disabilities, and that is what we're all about here. We support people in learning employment skills and working with food safety and just learning all the things that they can. We're teaching them so much more than how to make a confection or put a pretzel on a belt. We're teaching them job skills, everything from professional workplace etiquette to food safety, working with food, to packaging skills, working as a team, working with the public. We give tours every day here, so they have a variety of skills they are learning that they may not be exposed to in other aspects of their life.
I enjoy doing the pretzels, but it takes a long time and process to do the pretzels because you have to do one at a time. I learned that you have to stay focused, you have to do everything, like every single job you have to do has to be done properly or else you have to restart your job.
I'm actually putting peanut butter on our tree stumps, and they get ready to be coated in either milk chocolate or dark chocolate.
I think that without Highland Chocolates, these people may not have an opportunity to earn a paycheck, have satisfaction in what they do on a daily basis, come out into public and be seen and appreciated. And I think that all of those things together build confidence, and the fact that they do it with cocoa makes it even more wonderful.
So did you think Highland Chocolates was a good place, and can your cousin work there?
Yeah, I think it's cool, and I think my cousin would definitely fit in there.